Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Craft of Giving, and in today's video I want to share how to make these beautiful and easy craft stick pot holders. To start this project, you will need to line up your first two craft sticks to the size that you want. Now obviously you are limited to how big you can go depending on the length of your craft sticks. Using this handy dandy little cutting mat, I am lining up my craft sticks to make sure that they're nice and square for the base of my foundation. Now, if you're a young person, please get an adult to help you with the hot glue gun because it is hot. It is melted glue, so please be careful not to burn any fingers. This project is super easy and simple. So the concept is just to make a little frame and then continue to build another frame on top of the existing frame, and then just building your layers to the desired height of the pot that you like to make. This is such a fun and inexpensive project that you can enjoy with young kids or teenagers. Again, with little children, please be careful with the hot glue gun, but it is such a fun project. You can design yours any way you like. You can have the little corner sticking out like I have here, or you can have it quite square by having the craft sticks lined up perfectly in all the corners. The options are endless, really. You can even go ahead and spray paint this or use colored craft sticks to start with, or even use the huge ginormous ones you can find at good craft stores as well. Once you've reached the height that you think might work, go ahead and measure your little pot that you will put in there. I did reach my desired height here and then went ahead and added a base without measuring it first. So you'll see here that I was quite unhappy that one half looked quite tidy and the other half looked like it had gaps. So I went ahead and pulled off the ones that looked not quite right and just reapplied some glue and straightened my sticks to create a nice even base for my little pot to sit on. Something to keep in the back of your mind, any pot that you put in there needs to be watertight, as this is not a waterproof situation going on. So if your pot has little holes on the bottom, maybe put a little dish or something on the bottom to catch any water that may be coming out from the bottom of your plant. For a second fun design, I'm starting the same base as I did before. However, as I'm building my layers, I'm offsetting one side of my craft sticks ever so slightly to create this stepped effect. Now, naturally, as you're going up in your layers and you're moving your sticks across that little bit further, it will create a narrower opening at the top, which will effectively make this the bottom of your pot. Flip it around, and then I've added some more sticks at the top just to build that little bit further in height. I think this is such a fun design. It is so interesting and very unique. Remember to keep checking your height as to whether your pot fits in it nicely. Also being mindful that it is a smaller space inside than our first pot, so you may be limited to what kind of pot situation you've got going on. To finish off this design, I did flip it back over to have the bottom on the top, and then went ahead and glued some sticks down to create a nice even base for my plant pot to sit on. Now you can totally trim your craft sticks to actually fit nicely inside that bottom part without having the base showing as much as it did here. Totally up to you. Creative freedom. It's your pot, it's your fun, it's your gift. Have fun with it, and yeah, be crafty with your giving. A great tip is to use another craft stick to scrape off any bits of glue that has oozed out. Flip your pot back over, and here is your completed design. Now you can go ahead and spray paint this, use the colored craft sticks to start with, decorate it any way you like, and be sure to remove any stringy bits of glue. What a fun project to do with the little ones on a rainy day, or if you want to make a handmade gift for someone that is inexpensive but yet very thoughtful. Add your own little pot plant in there, ready to gift, pop it in a nice box, put a bow on it. Your opportunities are endless on how you can make your loved ones feel loved. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know who will you make this for. Be sure to check out my previous videos, and I thank you so much for watching. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!